replacing stale DEF in the CAT 299. Stale DEF, or DEF that is over 3 months old, may trigger multiple types of error codes on your Caterpillar skid steer. Now, in order to get to this DEF tank, you're going to have to raise up the cab by taking the bolts out that are in front of the cab, right underneath the arms. Loosen those bolts up, shouldn't be too difficult. And then raise your cab and use the red bar. This locks the cab up in place to keep you safe while you're working under it. That DEF tank is in the front, and you'll see it here in the front of that compartment. Follow the blue lid, that's your DEF cap. Follow that blue lid along the side, or that hose along the side of the skid. It's going to turn down here and right into the DEF tank. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver and loosen up that clamp. And once it's loose enough, you should be able to kind of wiggle the clamp around and then grab the hose and just gently pull up on it, and that will expose your tank. And then you're going to get a siphon of any type, and a spare jug, and just pump that out and properly dispose of the stale DEF. Now remember, this DEF has a 3-month shelf life, and it's just get it out of there and get fresh in. Once you're done, lower your cab, put your bolts back on, and then find the door for the DEF. Open that up and find that blue cap. And we're going to make it now so that we can take our jug of DEF and put it right in there and refill this tank. Now DEF is usually, you can buy it at a gas station, or to make it even easier, you can order it off of Amazon, and a link for that is provided below.